Surf's up, friends! Splash the Sea Otter here, ready to explore my amazing home, the Pacific Ocean. I know all the best spots along our beautiful coast. Ready to meet my incredible ocean friends and discover the wonders beneath the waves? Let's dive in. Welcome to my underwater neighborhood. Meet my Sea Otter family. We're super smart, using special rocks to crack open shells, and we have the fluffiest fur of any animal. Look at those majestic gray whales migrating all the way from Alaska to Mexico. That's like taking 1,000 swimming lessons. And there's our noisy but lovable neighbors, sea lions and seals sunbathing on the rocks. Don't forget the playful dolphins, swimming together in their family pods. Let's explore these amazing tide pools, nature's own tiny aquariums. Meet the fascinating sea stars that can magically regrow their arms, and watch the sea anemones wave their tentacles like underwater flowers. See those moving shells? Those are hermit crabs, always looking for bigger homes. This colorful seaweed garden provides food and shelter for countless tiny ocean creatures. Remember, be gentle and leave everything as you found it. Check out these incredible waves at Huntington Beach, Surf City, USA. They can grow taller than a school bus, starting way out in the ocean where the wind dances across the water. Remember the most important rule: always swim near lifeguards. Our beautiful beaches are perfect for building sandcastles, hunting for shells, and playing volleyball in the warm sunshine. Don't forget your sunscreen. Let's become ocean heroes together. Our wonderful sea friends need our help keeping their home clean and safe. Did you know that even a single plastic bag can harm sea turtles who mistake it for food? You can make a difference by using reusable water bottles, joining beach cleanups, and telling everyone about protecting our ocean friends. Every piece of trash you recycle helps. What an incredible ocean adventure we've had today. We've met amazing marine animals, explored mysterious tide pools, learned about perfect waves, and discovered how to be ocean heroes. Our beautiful California coast needs our help to stay healthy and clean. Next time we're heading to Hollywood to learn all about movie magic. Until then, this is Splash saying, stay cool and keep our oceans clean. Cowabunga. You did it, adventurers. Subscribe and like to enjoy new stories every day. Scan the QR code for freebies like coloring book and storybook. Link is also available in the video description section. Check it out and have fun. Bye.